everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to create a food product promo in After Effects. And the best part is we are using AI to generate 3D model video for it. So let's get started. First, create a new composition. I call this render. Set the resolution to 1920 by 1080 and the duration is 10 seconds. Then hit OK. Now let's import the footage. For this tutorial, I've already imported the footage. Next, drag the background composition into the timeline. I've created a custom background composition that includes many design options. I'll make a dedicated tutorial on it. Then drag the podium composition into the timeline. Perfect. Now bring in the main footage into the timeline, the one I created using AI. Change the layer sequence, then change the track matte to the Burger Luma, and switch the Luma matte to Alpha matte. All right, now let's talk about how we can create this type of 3D model video. For this, we need a side-angle food PNG image. Open the browser and go to the Adobe Firefly web application. First, need to sign up for the account before generating any video. We can only generate one model video per account. If you don't have an Adobe subscription, don't worry. I have a solution for that. You can use a tool to create multiple accounts easily. Let me show you something that can save you time and protect your accounts. It's called GoLogin. If you manage multiple accounts, you've probably faced that annoying problem, getting logged out, blocked, or flagged for using the same browser. GoLogin fixes all that. GoLogin gives each profile its own identity, like having unlimited clean browsers at your fingertips. That means no bans, no tracking, and no need to keep switching browsers or clearing cookies. You can manage all your profiles in one place, automate tasks, and even sync your work across devices. It's super useful. Who want a safer, smarter workflow? Download GoLogin using my referral link below. You'll get an exclusive 40% discount, plus 2 gigabytes of residential proxy data, completely free for your account. Try GoLogin today. All right, let's jump back into the tutorial. Click on the image to video option. Now change the resolution to 1080p and adjust the aspect ratio according to your image. Next, upload the first frame of your image. Then type a simple prompt, just like this. Click on the Prompt Enhance option and make sure to enable the transparent background. After that, describe the animation direction and click Generate. Once it's done, simply download the result. Now add a few elements to make your scene pop. I'll fast forward this part because I've already explained it in many of my previous tutorials. You can download this template using the link below. Finally, I'll use a pre-made preset to animate it. If you enjoy my content, please consider supporting me on Patreon for only $5. It really helps a lot. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel and consider supporting me on Patreon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.